From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over Creditsafe, how to get your company listed with Creditsafe if you don't already have your company registered with the Business Credit Bureau, Creditsafe. I know a lot of you guys know Dun and Bradstreet, Experian Business, Equifax Business, and Sonia, but Creditsafe is also a business credit bureau. They're actually the largest business credit bureau worldwide, but they're out of basically Europe, and they're making their way to the US. So they're becoming more and more used. So I just want to put out this information for you guys to get registered with Creditsafe if you don't already have a Creditsafe profile. I know we've talked about it before in past live streams. This video is going to be short. I'm just going to give you guys a link, walk through real quick, and then just go from there, get registered. Don't pay them anything because you don't need to pay. They may try to upsell you to some service with them, but you don't need to do that. Anyways, without further ado, let me get into it. But before I do, if you could please hit the subscribe button. If you're not already a subscriber, I'd really appreciate it. Okay, thank you so much. All right, let me get into it here. So what you're going to want to do is go to the link I'll have in the description below. But basically, you're going to come to a page like this. And let's just put in my company name. Keep in mind, Creditsafe isn't used that much right now by a lot of business vendors to check business credit. But it's better to get in now while you can to start establishing credit with Creditsafe, because it's maybe in 2 or 3 years from now, you know, they may be used quite a bit. So I'm just going to put in my company name here. This is the newer company that I registered recently that I'm doing everything under. And you can see here, this is my company here, one of my companies. And like I said, a lot doesn't report to Creditsafe. A lot of vendors don't right now, but in a year or two from now, you want to get it taken care of now. So in a year or two from now, you'll have good established business credit with Creditsafe. So you can see here as my address and the activity, legal, limited liability, management consulting services. The rating recently went up, it shows. The limit, I haven't pulled it. I'll pull it in on another video or whatever. But basically, this is what you're going to put in. And that's if you have a Creditsafe profile. So if you have a Creditsafe profile, it's going to come up and give you this, where you can put your first name, last name, business email, company name, and phone number. You hit submit, and they will verify that it is your business and then give you access to the free report. And you can make adjustments on like SIC codes and NAICS codes and different business data that you may want to update. So it's matching across the board with all business credit bureaus. If they don't have you listed, you go to this other link that basically will come up. Didn't find your business. Let's get your company added to the Creditsafe database. So you fill out this form to jumpstart the process of getting your business added to the Creditsafe database. You're going to put in your first name, last name, work email, phone, company name, street address, city, state, postal code, website, annual revenue, if you have or projected, your EIN, number of employees, established date, industry SIC codes, if known, and the key personnel, which is going to be you as the owner or director or manager. And then any other information you want to give them. So the more information you give them, the best, because that data is going to be probably shared with also Equifax Business, because they tend to work together a lot. Creditsafe and Equifax tends to work together and share data. So, but like I said, when you submit this, you want to make sure that it is 100% correct with what you have listed with the Secretary of State on your business registration, with whatever state that you're registered in, and make sure everything matches. Don't have match information as far as phone numbers or website addresses or spellings of the address. If it's west, say 4th Street, if it's spelled out on, say, Experian, you want to make sure it's spelled out on Creditsafe and all the bureaus across the board. Instead of having, say, a W, 4th, the number 4, you just want to make sure everything's matching across the board. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to give you guys this little tidbit. I'll release some more information on some other products, credit gems, after this video, and I might do a live stream tonight, a quick live stream on giving you guys some credit gems. But again, after you put in this information, and they may try to reach out and try to upsell you to some type of package or something, don't do it. It's not necessary. You can get listed with them for free. They want the database information from you. That's how they make money as well. The more data that they have on companies. Anyways, that's all for this video. You guys take care. Smash the thumbs up if you found this helpful, and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. Until next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.